Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia Z5 Premium, and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So first of all, let's open the dialer and tap on the keypad if you need, because this is the place where we will enter all of those codes. And let me begin with the shortest one and probably the most known, which is *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with the email number of this device. So let me tap on OK, and let me show you another code which is provided by Google, and we can open the diagnostic mode thanks to this. And the code is *#426#*##*#. And as I said, we are in the diagnostic, so here we can check the server, host, port, time connected or signal level. We can also tap on events, and here we've got some further technical details. After tapping on the three dots icon, we can show advanced view. Simply tap on it and tap on the status again. And as you can see, we've got more info, just like, for example, the heartbeat, last ping or HB algorithm. Let me get back and let me show you another code which will open the calendar info. It is *##225#*##. And as I said, we are in the calendar info, so here we've got all the events in one place. We can check the amount of family events, the amount of holidays in our country, or events attached to our mail. So this is the best option to check the events, because here they are grouped into particular sections. Let's get back and let me show you another code which will open the testing mode. And the code is *##4636###. And as I said, we are in the testing mode, so here we can check the phone info, usage statistics, and also Wi-Fi info. So let me begin with phone information, and here, as you can see, we can check email number, our phone number also, of course, if you will have the SIM card inserted, the voice service, data network type, and so on. We can also run ping test here. As you can see, we've got the results, and after tapping on the three dots icon in the right upper corner, we can also view SIM address book, of course, if you've got the SIM inserted again, or you can enable the data connection. Now we can go back and check usage statistics, and as you can see here, we've got the full list of all apps and processes which are currently on this device. And right now they are sorted by usage time, so you can, for example, check that I've been using the settings for almost 37 minutes, but we can change the type and from usage time to the last time used or app name. So basically, for example, after picking the app name, of course, the device will reorder the processes and the apps alphabetically. Let's get back and let's enter the Wi-Fi information, and as you can see here, we've got three different information. For example, we can check the API configuration or the status. So for example, after tapping on the status, we can refresh the stats, and we can check something like the network state, SSID, or network ID. We can also run ping test here. So actually, this is it. This is how to use secret codes in your SONY Xperia Z5 Premium. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.